What is going on? It's Kevin Molnar, the DIY guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn this regular necktie into a bow tie. Yes, a bow tie. How cool is that? I still don't even know how to tie a regular bow tie because of this. It is so easy. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. We all have awesome neckties in our closet that we can turn into an amazing bow tie. So, how cool is that? Awesome. Now let me show you how it's done. Now, grab your necktie. I think skinny ties are the best way to do it, but any size will do. Now, flip it over. We're going to pinch the end, and we're going to stick it through that little loop. That's going to show us the size of the actual bow tie. All right, we're going to fold over once. We're going to fold over twice. And we're going to fold over 3 times. And that's pretty much it for that part. And we're going to twist, okay? Keep your thumb tight on that. We're going to twist it around because we want the clean side to be on the outside of the bow. Perfect. Now keep that thumb tight on there, and we're going to see a little loop on the side. All right, and we're going to stick the rest of the tie through that. Now, we just pull tight, and that is pretty much the bow tie. All right, we can adjust as much as possible. You can tighten it as much as possible. I can do this for an hour because I'm such a perfectionist with it, but it looks pretty good right now. All right, now we're going to do the neck part. We're going to locate the top. All right, just like that, and we're going to loosen it just a little bit. Now wrap it around and pull it through, and make sure that you tighten that neck tie up again. Right there, look at that. Perfect. Now you can adjust as much as possible. Awesome, looks great. And now all you have to do is just pull that end, and it tightens up the neck, and just hide the rest underneath the collar. And there you go. Now you're probably not going to get it your first time out, but keep on going over it and practice it, because once you get this one, you can get all your neckties. How cool is that? All right. Now, if you like this video, please share it with all your friends, because I feel like a lot of people will get a lot out of this video, because a lot of people don't know how to tie a bow tie like me. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. My Instagram is awesome. It shows my FX makeup transformations and my DIYs. So don't forget to check that out. All right, and follow. All right, guys, stay creative. Please have fun.